Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. I am OT Josh, and in this video I'll be taking trade based on volume and price analysis. So what do we have here? We have a market that is looking to go downward. I saw the opportunity and I took the trade immediately so that I don't miss it. So why am I taking this trade is as simple as anything here. We've seen these two candlesticks here confirming the downward, these two huge red candlesticks with huge increasing volume, so it's showing that the trend is going to go down. That is the first confirmation we had. And now if you look at this theory candlestick, what you will see is an anomaly between this theory candlestick, this theory green candlestick. Why is it an anomaly? Because now we have the first candle with a huge volume. The second candle is supposed to have a higher volume than the first, but no, it does not have a higher volume. If you watch my video on volume and price analysis, how to spot anomaly and validation, you will see that this alone is an anomaly. This is an anomaly here, and because it is an anomaly, we had this candlestick. This candlestick will no longer be a hammer, it will be a hanging man, because we already have an anomaly. This is supposed to be a hammer candlestick, but in this case it is an hanging man candlestick, this candle. And this hanging man is a reversal sign at the end of an uptrend, because this two candle is an uptrend, although a minor uptrend is still an uptrend. So this hanging man is showing the reversal with a huge volume, and with that huge volume I did a put here because I can see there is a round number here which will act as resistance, so I did a put. Well, let's go on to the next trade. Okay, in this next trade I cannot do a put, because from these two candlesticks I'm going to show you, from these two candlesticks it's obvious that the market is going to reverse. This candlestick is a huge candlestick compared to the next candlestick, but as you can see the volume, you can see the volume is huge here, but the small candlestick volume is much bigger than the first candlestick. This is also an anomaly. This is what happened here. So watch my video on the volume and price analysis. I think that's my third a recent video. If you watch it, you're going to understand what anomaly is, what a validation is, so that you can understand how to spot these signals quickly before they happen. Now with this, it's clear that the price is going to go up for the main time, so I will be preparing to wait for a reversal pattern. Okay, yeah, this is the reversal pattern. If the price comes down, okay, I'll wait for it. I'm not going to predict the reversal, but I'll wait for it. But this is supposed to be the time I do the call, but then okay, if it rejects back down, I'm going to do the call. Otherwise I'll wait for it to break out as it should. Okay, I missed that. I believe this candlestick not creating a lower low with a high volume is the reversal pattern, but the price went up fast. Maybe it has gone up fast to prevent me from entering the trade in case it turns out to be a wrong trade. So like what I was saying, these two candles has provided me the signal of a reversal, a short-term reversal, and this candle with huge volume, although it's a bearish candlestick, it does not mean that. Okay, so I'm going to do the call now. Although it's a low volume, but I believe it's going to close in as a green. Okay, you can see it's going up. Why is it closing as a green candle? I'll show you once again. Okay, now like I said earlier on, these two candlesticks has given me the signal that this is an anomaly, so the price will reverse. Now if you look at this, where the pressure is coming from here, pressure is coming from this yellow line, which is the 20 EMA. The pressure came down from there with this candlestick with a high volume. Now the pressure went back to the 20 EMA, came down from there, but this time with a low volume, showing you that the selling pressure has weakened. And so since the selling pressure has weakened, what do? We go with the buyers at support. You see, at this support line, not at resistance, this support line. And so after this trade, I will be looking to do another call trade at that support line. Why? Because I'll show you quickly, because I'm seeing a validation. You see, I'll be looking to do another trade because of this validation. You see, this is a weak candlestick, a weak green candlestick, yes, valid. A huge green candlestick, valid. So therefore, for the next 2 to 3 minutes, this market will be going up, breaking this resistance, or it will be coming to this resistance, getting a new signal. But for now, the latest signal is a validation, so we expect the market to keep going up. Okay, so that's what is happening now. It's going up. So let's wait for our next opportunity. I missed this. This would have been a good time to do a call trade, but although I missed it, we'll wait. When we see a perfect opportunity, we are going to do the call trade. Okay, I'm back. I had to get something done, so let's see what's going to happen now. We have a round number here, so let's see. Okay, what do we have here? Everything is valid. As we can see, I'm going to take this closer. Okay, it's valid. The movement is valid. Bigger, biggest, bigger. Yeah, the price action and the volume are valid. If for forex trader who got into a position here, they will be smiling now because everything is valid. But now I can see an anomaly. There is an anomaly now, so the warning bear has been rung, sorry, because you can see this candlestick with a volume like this and this candlestick with a volume like this. It shows something is wrong with this trend. And when something is wrong with this trend, we are going to look at where we are in the long term. And looking at that, I can spot this, sorry, I can spot this place as a potential point of reversal, because this is where the breakout happens. So this is a breakout, a pullback, and maybe it will be going down. You can see it's going down now. Why is it going down? Only because I spot this anomaly here. So let's wait and see how this candle is going to be. If it's closing with a huge volume, then we'll know that yes, the reversal is coming. As you can see, yes, 114 was the last one. Yes, you can see it has come with a huge volume. So I believe this candlestick is going to reverse from this point. So once the market goes back here, yeah, this is the whole resistance. When the market comes back, we'll be doing a put. I want to do a put for 2 minutes. Okay. Oh shit, I think I made a mistake because I should have gotten this higher. But anyways, this is a strong candlestick, is a shooting star pattern. Although the trend is not long, if it were longer, then the reversal would have been longer. Yes, I mean, talking about cause and effect. If the cause is much, the effect will be much, but in this case it's small, so the candlestick may get to this point and reverse. But if I had gotten it at a good entry point, then but okay, I think the candlestick will reverse, but not now. I'll explain why I did this particular trade. Let me explain from the side of the anomaly. Now if you look at this candlestick, a little volume, a little candlestick, a huge volume, a huge candlestick. Now look at this third candlestick. This third candlestick is not as big as this second candlestick, and so the volume is not as big as this. So if let's say you got into this trade at this point as a forex trader, you will be very happy, because when you see this candlestick, you know that everything is going well. But the moment you see this candlestick with a body that is bigger than all previous three, but the volume does not match. If you watch my video that I made, I'm still referring to that video, go back and watch it. You will understand what I said, that when a candlestick has a huge volume and a little body, a huge body and a small volume, what does that tell you? It tells you that the retailers are the one pushing the market. This is not a move by the insiders, it's not a move by the professionals, it's a move by the retailers. They call it dumb money, but I don't really like using those terms, dumb or smart. We are all traders, but these are their moves. And do you know where these people like to buy the dumb money? So the so-called dumb money, they like to buy at the resistance, whereby professionals sell at the resistance. So when they got here, they bought. The professionals allowed them, because they've already seen the anomaly in this trend, so the professionals allowed them to buy. So that's why we see this wick. When they've gotten to this point, they were trapped back and the professionals took the market down. How do we know that the professionals are taking this market down? Because the professionals can hide everything they want to, they can manipulate everything, but volume can never lie. This is why I always use volume. They can't hide the volume. The candlestick came with a high volume, and so seeing the high volume, I did a put trade for 2 minutes here, and this is the, let me see, fine, this is it, we got it in the morning. So as you can see, there is, I think this is another anomaly. Yes, this is an anomaly. Dump money once again, because these two candlestick volume are equal but the size are not equal. So this candlestick, this particular candlestick, is being pushed down, not by the professionals. Professionals sold here, so they are allowing the inside, the retailers, like those people who are not experienced, to take the market down to their level so that they can come in again. So they sell at resistance and they buy at support. But for the retailer, for the retail traders, what do? When they see this huge candle, they will think the market wants to go down and they will buy. They don't, not knowing that they are sorry, they will sell, not knowing that any selling they are doing here, the insiders are buying it. And so as you can see, there is another validation which shows that the trend is going to go up. You can see, look at this, huge volume, huge candle, bigger volume, bigger candle. This is a valid move, and this is very good for forex trader, because if you are a forex trader, after seeing this candlestick, all you have to wait is a signal and then you enter into the trade for the uptrend. And so the trade will be going, the market may be trading in this range, like this, just in this range, until something happens. Maybe a big player comes into the market and moves it up in the direction he likes. So I hope you understood something from this trade. So until next time, we've taken 3 trade and we've gotten 3 items and I've explained them. Until next time, please subscribe to the channel, like the channel. If you have a question, you leave the question in the comment section. It's raining here, so I want to relax myself. Until next time, bye bye. I'll see you in our next video. Thanks you.